Hello everyone, sending out boring resumes that get no replies. In this quick video, I am going to show you how to create a professional looking CV for free using Canva. And trust me, it is easier than you think. So further ado, let's get started. First, open up your browser and search here for Canva. So this is the official website of Canva. If you don't have an account, no worries, creating one is totally free. Once you are logged in, now go to the search option and type here for resume. And you will see tons of modern, clean, and creative templates pop up. Pick the one that fits your style and profession. There is something for everyone. So I am picking this one. After clicking on it, click on the customize this template. Now Canva will open this on a separate tab. Now click on the CV and you will see down this small bar. You can adjust the zoom, and after zooming in, if you click on this text option, you will see there are a couple of more options inside. In here you can change the font style, like I can choose this to Roboto, or I can choose the Litalia Wilson. So using this tool you can change the font option, the design, and the letter. So I'm double clicking on it and I'm changing this to my name. And if you click on your left option on your mouse, you can drag this from anywhere, and now you can change the rest of this according to your needs. By clicking on this text, you can either increase its size, you can bold it by using this option, or you can make an underline using this option. These are basically the simple and easy to use tools for creating any CV. Now the major part is the picture. In here, right click on your mouse and you will see the detach image option. Click on it and you can see the picture is detached from your CV. Now delete this and upload your desired picture. I don't have one, so I am just using this picture. Now if you click on the background remover, it will remove the background and customize this according to your needs. Now if you drag this photo, it will automatically sit on the image background. Now just edit your contact details, education, and other stuff. And when your CV is finally ready, and you will see the share option here and click on the download here, it will tell you to select the file type. Now expand this and select the PDF. It is the best format to print your CV or resume on. Now click on download, and as you can see, the PDF print has been downloaded on our computer. And if you click on open, and that's it, you have just created a clean professional CV in less than minutes. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more tech tutorials like this.